been. If you are kangaroo face or whatever, never been. Public announcement ever since I'm starting in 2017 until now, I'm not meet on the big wallet. Never. Never been that. Never been that one. He only making up a story. You know? Because he is a mental problem. Imagine, he's a married man. He insulting his own wife. He bringing a mistress in the front of his wife. And he making a pregnant the mistress. So, that kind of a character person cannot be trusted, cannot believe of what it said. To be clear up, right?